Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your voicemail inbox on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the phone app on this app listing page here, and then select the voicemail button at the bottom right. Select the call voicemail button that appears on this page right in the center. And then if you're doing it for the first time, it'll then walk you through the configuration steps for setting up your inbox, how it works, that sort of thing. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.